What is going on, people? I decided to hit the streets and get a little feedback from some of the people because so many girls were asking me, and especially one in particular, why don't you do a video about interracial dating? Oh yeah, and Clarence, I kind of borrowed your hat. You did what? Would you date a black guy?
Yes. Already have.
So you are what you would call a night rider, right?
I would date a black guy. I've only dated one person. He was Mexican.
White girls with black man with Indian and all them things. So what do you think about it?
To each his own, you know what I'm saying? I love my black woman still, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
But I mean, like, when you're testing the field out there, it's like black, white, Chinese, but which one's your favorite?
Man, a woman's a woman.
This way, face the camera, look there. Skin color, race.
Doesn't matter.
I don't believe you. Would you date that girl right there? Her? Would you date her?
Maybe.
Black girls?
Yeah.
You would date a black girl. You can't handle a sister. Light skin is your preference.
Yeah.
How come?
I don't know. I just think they're more attractive to me.
How was your black experience?
I dated him for 3 years. He was Jamaican.
He was Jamaican. So what's your fascination with the Jamaican men?
I don't.
Is it the hair?
Yeah, they just flock to me. Apparently.
You guys are exactly what we're looking for. We're asking people about interracial dating.
Love it.
We love it,
Love
but
it.
the public doesn't always get bad looks.
Love is love. We all believe red, right? Because was Bob Marley's father.
Wait, I don't have a problem with this.
You know
The
what?
people out in the public have a problem
Love
with
is
it.
love, seen?
So what kind of troubles you guys get when you guys go out in public?
Dirty looks, kisses
When
by
that
their
happens, I
teeth.
just suck her tongue when it happens, right, baby?
No, stop.
So what type of people are doing this? Like, is it coming from the black people?
White and black,
How about the Mexicans?
Indian, everybody.
Would you date a white guy?
Hell no.
Like, if he's like white like your shirt?
No.
Would you date me?
I don't know, you
Chinese guy?
a Chinese guy, depending on if he's a Chinese person that can play ball and that has some of my cultures in him, maybe.
Every little thing is gonna be alright. You know what I found out? Black girls love Asian men because you guys can cook and you guys know how to give good loving.
Oh, I don't know about that.
So would you date a black girl like the blackberry?
Oh, it's okay. I think that if she's nice, it's a nice person.
Are you just saying that because you're on camera?
Oh, yeah, I think so because I have a black friend.
If you knew me, you wouldn't want to date me.
Well, you're a troublemaker? Let me hear about it. What kind of trouble you causing?
No, I'm just extremely jealous.
Oh,
Jealous, yeah, you won't be able to take it.
you're jealous. So like if I went over and talked to this lady right here, you'd be jealous of me?
Yeah, I would kill you.
Would you date someone from a different race?
Yes,
Have you?
yes,
What type of guy was he?
like Chinese.
You dated a Chinese guy? Even after all the negative stigma about the Chinese guy?
Yes.
It wasn't true, was it? So you date any type of guy? Like
Not any type of guys, but I'd rather date black guys.
light skin black, dark skin black? Chris Brown?
Nah, not Chris Brown.
Akon?
That's
Too dark? So would I be too dark?
no, you're good.
He's 33, I'm 49.
Yes, we are.
You're both what? Filipino? So you date a white guy?
Well, his wife first.
No, I know you're dating him, but would you date a white guy?
Yeah.
If I was a girl, would you date me?
I don't mind.
But pretend she's not here. What's your favorite type of girl?
Asians.
I'm not really picky with guys. I don't mind anything.
Would you date an avatar if it was real?
No.
They said they would date anyone, they're not picky, but they won't date blue people. I have a dream. One day, Filipino people, black people, and white people will date blue people. Crazy times. So with all that said and done, I have a question for you guys. Would you date someone from a different race? Why or why not? Let me know your thoughts and comments down below in the boom box. Don't forget to tune into part 2 coming up this Friday. But until next time, I'm Leroy Sedman Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom. Oh.